Welcome back, guys. So during these crazy times when hoods are flying off, smashing windshields, you know what I mean, we decided to go to the salvage yard, my local salvage yard, bring my business up instead of going to eBay. Didn't want to buy new. They want astronomical money for these hoods and windshields. So decided to go salvage yard. Found something decent. Got a hood and windshield, good price, two for the price of one. Guess what? I'm gonna go pick it up. Okay. The next step you're gonna see, it's gonna be in my vehicle, already brought home. So we go from there. Okay, guys? Here we go. Okay, just wanted to put the hood side by side. See how you can see the clear? It's already came off. You know, it had holes already. That's how I got the vehicle. This side was kind of bent in. That was normal. But the rest, I mean, I did what I could to straighten her back up. But, you know, paint's already faded. I installed these things and I didn't like them, so I didn't like that. But this one, there's a little shine to it, you know. I don't know if you can see with the sun right now as we speak, but she shines. Little wash. Paint is the same thing. That's what my hood's supposed to look like anyways. But it's got a little glimmer. Compare both of them, see? That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like now. So the Florida sun does beat these cars up bad. So yeah, it's got some blemishes. It's not perfect, but at least the color is almost there, and I can put lipstick on this pig right here. So we good. All right, just gonna put these on, put this one in, install it, and it's quick. It won't even take 5 minutes. So we'll see what it looks like on the vehicle after that. Okay, Ton, you see the shine coming through from the sun. It actually looks better than the fender. See, you can see some kind of paint difference. But same color, I assure you. It's just sun beaten, kept away in the garage. So looks good. Good thing is, it's straight. This whole hood is straight. It's got some blemishes here and there, one ding or two, but I can deal with this. So, okay guys, so let me describe the tools that I got at my disposal. I'm gonna take this windshield out. Got this about a few days back. Show you what this is. Alright. This one right here, let me see if I can focus now. There you go. This one right here. So remove or cut the seal out of the windshield. Alright. Basically, you stab this right in the glass and you take this handle and just pull with the handle. And you cut the windshield all the way around with this. Okay? If this doesn't work, I have this here. A couple handles. You put the safety wire. That's what this is right here. Put the safety wire through this hole. It's going to come out this hole. Then you leave about a ½ inch or an inch or whatever, and then you go like this. It should lock it in place, and then you can pull, and you can saw with both the other handles, one on the inside, one on the outside. We're just gonna cut it out. So if this don't work, this will work. Okay, this is just so you can push the safety wire through the windshield. This tip right here, as if I got to get to the bottom of the windshield. See that little bit of there? Yeah, there you go. See that? You take the safety wire, you wrap it around about a good inch, or actually more than that, and then you stab this right at the bottom of the windshield, and then you catch your safety wire on the other side, and we're good. And they give you a panel popper just to pull trims out and everything. As you've seen, I don't have to use this. They give you this also for you to remove clips. I don't think I'm going to use it, because you guys will see what I'm going to do. I already took out one trim, same thing on the other side. I think I'm going to get ready to start cutting the windshield out. So the weather is favorable. No rain, very cloudy, you know what I mean? Very cloudy. The sun's not beating down on me, so I'm going to take advantage of this. So here we go. We're going to go do this.
80 Beats Productions.